Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your microphone works and that you're signed into Microsoft 365 when needed. You'll want Word updated so dictate or voice typing appears. Open the document and place your cursor where the text should go. Once done, make sure background apps aren't using the mic. If you're on Windows, choose the correct input device in Settings. On Mac OS, grant Word microphone permission in System Preferences. Now you're ready to enable the typing feature inside Word. Next, find the Dictate or Voice Typing control in Word's Home tab and click it to start. You may be prompted to choose a language or enable online services. Accept these so the feature can process speech. Speak at a steady pace and include simple commands such as new line, comma, or period to control punctuation. If accuracy is low, try moving closer to the mic or switching to a headset. Make sure you watch the waveform or indicator so you know Word is receiving your voice. When you finish speaking, click the Dictate button to stop recording, then proofread and correct any recognition errors manually. If voice typing stops responding, check microphone permissions in your OS and confirm Word has internet access, as online recognition may be required. Once done, try restarting Word. If problems persist, run the Office repair tool or update drivers for your microphone. A quick tip: background noise reduces accuracy, so move to a quieter spot or use a noise.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.